Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make this beautiful designer skirt with top. Trust is very easy to make. If this is what you're interested in, keep on watching, keep on sharing. You can see this skirt very unique. It's something you can make yourself. So please feel free to learn after watching this tutorial or this video. Thank you very much. So let's get started. Now I have the fabric right here. I have the white. This one is for the skirt, while the white one is for the top, but I'll be working with the skirt. So right now I'm going to spread the skirt, the pieces I have on the table. I have 2 pieces for this skirt. Now I will go ahead and measure what I have as the width of this fabric. I have the width 33 inches and the length 10 inches. It actually depends on who you are working for, okay? So right now I will proceed by marking the interval I will be using. The first interval is 1 inch. After this, I proceed into marking 2 inches across the borderline, and that is what you can see me doing on the screen, okay? Then the last one is also 1 inch. So after this, the next thing I will be doing right now is to work on the second piece. I mark 1 inch first. After that, I repeated exactly what I did on the first piece, okay? So that is that on that aspect. The next thing I will be doing right now is to go ahead and pleat. We have different kinds of pleating, but I will be using kissing pleating in this video. So right now, you can see what I'm doing right here. So I proceed into pleating across the borderline. So having done with the first piece, the second piece will be repeated exactly what I did on the first piece. And that is what I will go ahead to do right now. So I'll also pleat the second piece. So as you can see, this is what I have after sewing the down part and also the upper part, okay? So the next thing is to work on the upper skirt and front panel, and here is it. Now the width is the same thing with the skirt edge. Now I have the length to be 7 inches. I'm going to fold it 4 times, twice, 1 and 2. So can you see? So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to mark waist circumference divided by 4 plus 0.5 inch as my seam allowance. So I'm doing the connection right there. So after which I proceed into cutting. Now I have the shape like this, okay? So right now I'm going to place it on the skirt and I attach it to the skirt. So this is what I have. Now I'll go ahead and work on this back piece. Now I have the length 5.5 inch for the back piece. So right now I'm going to mark 2 inch on both sides. Then I connect. This 2 inch space is going to be for the elastic, okay? So right now I'm folding and I sew the down part. So this is what I have. The next thing is to go ahead and insert my elastic using my safety pin, okay? So if you're new on this channel, to join this great family, all you need to do is just to click on the subscribe button below and you hit on the notification bell so that you can be part of this family, okay? and also put on your notification bell, okay, so that anytime I upload a new video you have access to it. Thank you very much. So we are proceeding now. The skirt is almost ready, so I'll go ahead right now. After placing it each other, I'm going to sew the two sides. Now our skirt is ready. So the next thing I'm left with now is to make a design on this skirt. So first I'm going to measure what I have on the edge, the front part of this skirt. So I have two different kinds of I'm making a combination of fabric for the design. The width is the same thing of what I mark, but I added 1 inch. So I have the length right there, 5.5 and 7 inches respectively. So the next thing I'm going to do is to mark 2.5 inch. This is going to be for the upper one. Then I connect to the down part, as you can see me doing right here. So the next thing, I go ahead and cut. Now here is the second piece, exactly what I did, but in this case I will be marking 3.5 inch on this side here, then I connect. That's just the difference from the first one. So I really want to use this medium to appreciate my subscriber out there. Thanks for your support. Thanks for sharing. For those of you sharing, I really appreciate. And if you are yet to share our videos, please make it a duty, and God will bless you. Thank you very much. Keep on watching our videos and keep on sharing. Thank you very much. So we are going to proceed. We are proceeding. So I'm trying to remove the excess at the edge, so that by the time I turn it inside out, I won't have a log of fabric inside. So I stitch the inner side so that I'll have that flat loop. So by the time I iron, you see how flat it is. Yes, so is to place it on each other. Then I go ahead and stitch to the edge of the front panel of this skirt, as you can see me doing right here. I hope you are getting something very, very important. I want to believe that, yes. So if you have any question regarding this particular video or tutorial, please feel free to drop your question in the comment section, okay? So we are done with the skirt aspect of this tutorial. So the next thing now is to move on to the top blouse of this wear, okay? So you can see how beautiful this skirt is and very unique. So right, it is time to work on the top blouse of this video. So you can see I have the width of the front to be 19 inches. While the width for the back piece, this is the back piece, is 15 inches, okay? The length is 13 inches. Sorry, I didn't put it on the screen. The length is 13 inches. So it actually depends on the length of whose you are working with or working for. So I'm marking 5.5 inch as half of my shoulder line, okay? So I proceed into marking the armhole length of 5.5 inch. Then the bust divided by 4 plus 0.5 as the seam allowance. Then the down part I'm going to reduce by 0.5, okay, to give me that shape, that slight slant shape, okay. So I'm making a curve right at the armhole. Then I have the neck width being displayed on the screen, 2.5, the depth of the back 1 inch, and the depth of the front 2.5 inch, okay. So I'm trying to make a mark across the point there. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut straight in the line, okay. So just try and watch this video to the end, and the step, just follow the step one after the other. You discover that it's something you can make yourself. It's not mandatory you be a seamstress, you are a seamstress or a tailor. So once you just follow the procedure, you get it. So I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch this video, or taking your time watching this video. Thank you very, very much. Keep on watching as we bring new updates of different kinds of wares to for your benefit, okay. Thank you very much. So till I come your way again, keep on watching. Don't relent watching, don't relent sharing. Bye for now.